Hi, I'm Rocky Dickerson of Realty One Group. There's a lot of fear, there's a lot of anxiety out there on what is happening in the real estate market for Las Vegas. What will occur in the third quarter? We're going to take a quick look here at the factors that are involved on what is really going on with the Las Vegas real estate market and what you can do about it and the measures that you can take to save your money. So let's take a quick look at the third quarter forecast for the Las Vegas real estate market report. So taking a look at the third quarter forecast, it's very interesting. There's four eyes that we need to keep our eyes on. What we need to look at are the inventory, the interest rates, inflation, and ingenuity. All four of these are going to be key for the third quarter of 2022. Taking a look at inventory, first let's look at what happened in June of 2021. We ended that month with 2,454 houses available and 575 condominiums available. Now, if we fast forward to see what happened a year later, we had 5,746 houses available, 1,340 condominiums available. That's over 130% increase from the previous year. So obviously much more inventory is on the market currently. In fact, here we can look at the previous 7 days for July 13th of 2022. We see that over 1,400 new listings came on the market, only 700 sold, 261 fell back onto the market after having previously been into escrow, and over 1,600 had price decreases because they couldn't sell at the price they were listed at. Obviously a slowdown in the market. Next, let's take a look at interest rates and inflation. The U.S. Federal Reserve delivered a 0.75% rate hike on June 15th. On July 13th, the Labor Department released figures showing consumer price index raising by 9.1% in June, the highest inflation in 40 years. Because of this, the Fed will be raising rates another 3/4 to a full point within the next month. Obviously, all of these factors will come into play with how people can qualify for homes. What is the hope for saving the real estate market? It's simple: ingenuity. We're already seeing some of the tricks that we used to use in the 1980s and the 1990s when markets were really bad, and putting it in today's marketplace, making homes much more affordable. Also, what we need to keep in mind here is, what is the most important consideration for your real estate? That's simple. The most important consideration is your intention. If you're looking to move in 6 months, it makes a big difference, whereas if you're looking to move 5 or 10 years from now. So always look at what works best for you. This is not a day trade, this is real estate, and we always need to keep that in mind. So in summation, what we need to look at here, what should you do for the third quarter? Well, if you're a seller, forget waiting. Start getting creative now. Get your property out there while the market is still at its peak. Buyers, look to your intentions and your 5-year plans. Make your decisions accordingly. These are key. And remember, there's no such thing as a bad market, only bad strategies. For more detailed information on what you can do in today's real estate market and how you can plan for the third quarter, call me, Rocky Dickerson, at 702-743-7625, or email rocky@rockysellsvegas.com, and please subscribe to my video channel.